How to optimize images for SEO in Wix Studio. In order to do that, what you can do is you can just head over right here first to your site files. So in order to locate your site files, you can head over and then look for it right here into your settings or your dashboard. You can click right here to your settings. Now from in there, you can look for your site files or you can just go directly right here to your SEO settings. Click on that right there. And then from in there, it will show you up the SEO. So in here, you can go to your pro gallery since we're actually looking to optimize images. Now in here, you can click on this edit right here for the basics and social share. And then in here, you can just add in here the title tag, the item description, and it will look like this as well. So you can also let search engines index your gallery items if you want. Now, for this one, you can also add variables for your own social share, and it will look like this. So you can click on this get an image URL from site files, and then you can enable that right here. Just choose in here an image that you want to add on your site files and click on this add to page. Once you have done that, it will actually appear right here. So just wait for that as well. Now in here, you can also choose right here your card size, your titles for that, your structured data markup, robots meta tag, and additional meta tags for that. Once you're done, just head over and click on save, and you'll be able to actually optimize it from there. So that's how you optimize images for SEO in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.